We parked outside and it's running, like I'm waiting on your invite.
This your boy Dino, man. I'm coming to you again with this another review, but I ain't did this review on this product in like what, since 3 years? Yeah, I ain't had this product 3 years. This NOCO GB70. It replaced my old school diehard jump packs. Yes, it replaced it. So we just finna get into it, show you what this product can do, and not try to waste too much of your time. As you can see, got the NOCO bag. You know, you take it out, you know, bam. GB70. You finna see what this boy can do. After a year and a half of this car, just sitting here, not being able to start. Let me go ahead and get this off this tripod, get you a little closer. As you can see, we gonna put the key in this boy. As you can see, let me see if I get that a little better. You can see I got the keys in. Trying to turn. I don't get nothing. As you already see, it's dark in the car. No inside lights. The overlamp won't come on. You know how that shit is. Oh man, and your battery's dead. What do you do? Huh? What do you do? Come on, man. This ain't what's up. Let me get this light, man, real quick. Let me show y'all I ain't playing, man. Oh, man. You see, hang this boy up right there. And as you can see, man, I have nothing. No lights, no nothing. And when I mean this battery's dead, it's been a year and a half. A year and a half since I tried to start this boy. Yeah, man. But I want to see if this GB70 can do what it did back in 19. Now, I don't know how low the battery was then, but I know after not driving this car for a year and a half, it's been sitting in this garage because I've been driving that boys. So I know you understand. I've been driving my 392. So I kind of retired the Chrysler 300. My old school baby, but she never let me down. She always got me wherever I needed to go. So, you know, I always loved this girl. Why you think she's still sitting in this garage? Right now, she just ain't got no juice. So let's time me go ahead and plug it up. Let me go ahead and set this up for y'all so y'all can see what's going on, you know? Okay. Let me put that right there for now. Let me go ahead and get this GP. Let me see. I should move you a little closer. Let me see. Got this snow blower out the way. Get that out the way. Okay. Set this up, you know, so you can see it. We're gonna put this GB70 on, you know. First, you know, it's gonna turn it on, as you can see, 100%. See that green light? All right. Positive to positive. Negative up to negative. Okay. As you can see, I know y'all heard that. The lights came on. I hook it up. It's charging. Come on, baby. Don't do me like that. As you can see, I got it charging. See the lights going, it's flashing. And then as you can look in the car, y'all see the lights and came on. And y'all see I ain't had none of that at first. Oh my God. Let me get in, let me see, close this door. Let me see what it looks sealed, look dim though. I don't think it got enough power. Let me see. Not yet, not yet. It surely is trying. Y'all heard that, man? Within a year and a half, this car has not been started, but it sure did try. Yes, sir. That was music to your ears. Would it be better once I get it started? Come on, girl. Don't let me down. Don't let me down, baby. Let me see you still love me. I know I ain't put no new battery in you. I ain't drove you in about 2 years, but I still love you. What you got for me? Not yet, not yet. We're gonna have to give it a little more time. The windows come down now. Not yet, not yet. Let me see how long we got to let this go on, family. Yes, sir, I got juice now. You just gotta do his maggots and charging it up. But it's trying. I'm giving it that full throttle, baby. Ain't been in a year and a half. Come on now. I know this battery dead, but it's gonna work it out. It's gonna work itself out. Come on now. Let that charge up this battery. Then I ain't did nothing in a year and a half. I know it's gonna start. I just need to charge up a little bit. You saw the lights come on. Yeah, this boy gonna be ready. I don't doubt it. Just gotta be patient. Where we at already? 6 minutes and 54 seconds? Come on, man. I know I should have this boy started within 10 minutes. You know what I'm saying? And all that was, some of that was recording time. You feel me? Come on, y'all. I know this car gonna start. Ain't started in 2 years. Come on, let's do it. Come on, come on. Gonna sit here and be patient. That's all we could do, baby. But I know it's gonna start, man. This pack that's never let me down. But yeah, this battery is low, man. It got no juice. But as you can see, man, it's trying. I know it. It's never let me down. Never needed to call nobody. Never needed to jump. But my battery ain't never been this low. But hey, man, you see it, man. I know it's gonna start. Just gotta give it some time, man. Just gotta give it some time. YouTube, this product is amazing, man. It ain't let me down, so I know it ain't gonna let me down this time. Come on, baby. Is you ready? Let's give it another try. Let's give it another try. Almost. Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it. We gonna bag up right there. Let's give it a little more time. A little more time don't hurt. Patience is the key. I know you want that boy to start right away. I do too. But not after driving this boy for about 2 years, just letting it sit in the garage, and it's doing that. Yeah, I know it's hope. Just a dead battery as usual, you know. You gotta start your car and keep the battery charged, but you know, I was too busy driving that, so you can't fault me. Can't fault me for that. Can't fault me. It was time to finally put some miles on that car, you know. And this car already got too many miles, plus the miles I was finna put on it. Let me put some miles on that car. But come on now, let's start this car. Now this time it's gonna start. Let's do it. There it is. Oh my God. Less than 10 minutes. You saw it, YouTube. Boy, you never lied to you, man. Ain't no editing. Ain't no cuts. This was just, man. You see it, man. This car ain't been started. As you can see the sticker, man. Let me put that sticker, man. Now, hold on, let me get the light, man. That sticker, man, from 20, man. I ain't drove this car since 2020. Been too busy driving my baby over there. But she's still my baby. She's still my baby. What that say, man? 1220. The last time I went to go register this car and get some plates and stickers for it. Come on, man. Y'all see that, man? Good product. Didn't need nobody. Started right up. Worked like a charm. And all I can say is, man, you saw it for yourself, man. Less than 10 minutes, man, without me talking and wasting your time, man. You saw this product did what it did. For a car that ain't been started, man. In what? 2 years? Year and a half? I ain't gonna lie to you. Let me put this on this tripod, man, real quick. Hold on. Oh, make sure it's in there. Don't want to break nothing. All right, that's it. Sorry about all that, YouTube. Look at that. Y'all hear this car running, man? In 2 years, year and a half at least, man. This car ain't been started. You see what this product do? Do I still got something in there? I still got a DVD in there. We don't even watch DVDs no more. I still got a DVD player in the car. Y'all see it? Come on, man. Car running. Car running. Do the product work? Yes, it does, man. All you need to do is get your car started, man. And that's what you got it for, man. So, 3 years later, man, got this product back in 19. As y'all can see, man, it's still doing its thing, man. So, man, until next time, YouTube, man, the boy shows y'all something else to use for his cars to stay out of them trouble situations. You better help yourself. This your boy Dino signing out, man. Peace.
What are you, fucking nuts? You thought